Oh, let's clean up. Yay! Yay! Wow! Wow! Whoa! It's getting huge. Whoa! Let's figure out what we have got. Wow! It's so much. Wow! Soapy, soapy. Let's see. Whew. Hey! This is a tractor. Bring it down. Ooh. Let's find some more. Okay. This is a truck. Take him down. Hey! Let's see what's next. Oh, it's Dozer. Bring it down. Hey! Some more. Oh, it's a crane. Let's take him down. Oh, hey, he was so slow. Next, whoa, what's this? This is a police car. Let's take him down. Oh, he was quite fast. Hey, look what I got. This is a Dozer. Wow, it can't take it up. Oh, let's bring him down. Ow! Oh, look at this giant. What does this have? It has, oh, it can even put some water. See? Let's dump some water. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey! It fell apart. Now we have to see. Oh, what a nice. He was nice and clean and tidy. Hey. Oh, he was much more cleaner. Ow. Let's find some more. Oh, what's this? This is a trailer of tractor. Hey. Now, oh, the most important thing, the helicopter. Bring it down. Go, baby. Oh, please. Please make some space to him. Let's take him down. Ow. Now. Whoa, what's this? Dozers, man. Hey, you fall down. Okay, the last one. Police car. Let's take him down. Ow, no. See how many vehicles do you have? A lot of vehicles. Let's put some detergent and wash our cars. Okay, let's add some more. That will be enough. Let's create. Wow. Wow, let's create with this. Whoa. Woo. Let's create with this. Yay! Round and round and round. Let's bring Dozer. Let's make him clean. That's it. Oh. Wow. Hey, where are you? I'm here. Okay. Where are you? You're here. Okay. Let's add some more. Oh, helicopter, where you came from? Oh no! Hey! Wow, I'm so clean. Yeah. And yeah. Hey. Whoa. Woohoo. Wee. Whoa. Wee. Whoa. Yay. Whoa. Whoa. Yay! All vehicles are neat and tidy. We have make a good software for all vehicles. Look how tidy they are. Wow! Hey, let's go! Wow, what a nice breeze! Oh, what's this? No, this is a firecracker. Okay, let's go. Oh, police. Let's go. Maling ka na.
Oh no!
Oh, let's go to rescue. Let's see what happened. Oh no, everyone's got drowned in the water. We have to rescue. Let's call the train. Let's call the train. Okay, thank you. Thank you for saving my life.